Hi there, my name is Tej and welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video, we are going to take a closer look at the Solectric NFT. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. So please do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrencies out there. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below, so feel free to check them out. So this is the website of Solectric NFT and you can access it by going to solectric-nft.com. As per the website, it is the most innovative Solana NFT project. It has 1,000 algorithmic generated printed circuit boards with various components of different rarity with special mining utility. It has 17 unique printed circuit board components on 4 different type of boards. This is the roadmap of the project. So on November 1st, our Solectric boards will find new owners and minting will start at 22:00 UTC and we expect you to be there. When all Solectric boards are sold out, we will be listed on multiple marketplaces. There you will be able to buy and sell your Solectric boards, and exact marketplaces will be announced few days before minting. After that, in December, there will be a special collection airdrop of 333 components with unique mining utility for random Solectric board holders, and snapshot will be taken at random time from minting till airdrop. In the Q1 of 2022, you will be able to mine the crypto with your Solectric boards and special collection airdrop, and you will need both NFT collections to be eligible for the mining. This project is still very early. It's in its early stages and it's expected to be launched on 1st of November 2021. Now let's go and take a look at the Twitter page. And this is the Twitter page of Solectric NFT, and the minting will start on 1st of November like we already mentioned, and there are 1,000 algorithmic generated printed circuit boards with crypto mining utility. Over here, you can follow the page so that you can stay updated with the project and see how it gets performed, especially after its launch, because there's going to be a lot of buzz about it in the market. There are actually a lot of different type of projects that are coming out, but they have the same boring artwork and they do not really have any innovations that could kind of benefit the world of NFT. And that's why I feel that Solectric NFT really has this purpose and it could make a difference out there, and I'm really excited to see how it performs. Basically, what they're trying to say is that the collection consists of 1,000 NFTs with artwork of printed circuit boards and electronic components, and there will be 4 different type of boards and 17 different electronic components. Now let's talk a little bit about crypto mining with your NFT. So after the public launch, basically there will be an airdrop of 333 special components to the lucky holders in December, and you will need both Solectric board and a special airdrop component to be able to mine the crypto. And also every board type will have different mining efficiency. There will be more information that would be put out in terms of the project development. There is only so much to it that we know from what is mentioned on the website. With the raised money, they're going to buy mining rigs and mine Ethereum, and all the money will be sent to the holders that are eligible for mining. So those that own both NFT, Solectric board and the special component, and only 333 people will be able to mine. And they're going to create Solectric DAO. So all earnings from mining will be sent to Solectric DAO as a donation, and then they will be processing these earnings to all the holders out there, and they will be sending these payments on a monthly basis. So that's a little summary about how this project is planning to go about it. I also want to introduce you guys to Trezor, which is a hardware wallet that you must have to store all your cryptocurrencies in a completely safe manner. If you would like to get one of this for yourself, please check the link in the description box below. So to conclude, I would say that there are actually a lot of different projects right now in the market, but I feel that Solectric would stand out because it has innovation to it. It has a real purpose that is attached to it, and that is what is really excited to see how it turns out, especially when it's launched. So stay tuned for that. If you would like to get more information on this project, I have mentioned the link in the description box below, so feel free to check that out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and if you have any questions about this project, leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching. I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.